Police are investigating a series of unusual thefts. Burglars are stealing airbags from people's cars.
Some people waking up today to find their cars on bricks.
Yeah, they were missing their wheels and their tires.
Trucks are now stealing tailgates from the back of pickup trucks.
We have a 2018 Chevy Silverado. We end up installing the Clifford 3105 to arm the alarm. You gotta hit lock. To disarm it, you gotta hit unlock. You got panic button here. Okay, we give him the locks, and the main reason why he wanted this alarm because he wanted to self-arm it. So in the event that he forgets to arm the alarm from the factory one, the aftermarket one, I can program it to automatically self-arm and lock the door, because sometimes he'll forget to arm it. And the factory one did not have from factory the settings that you can program it to self-arm. So in this case, we end up installing an aftermarket one, so he's able to we're able to program it for him. So after he closes the door, after the interior light dims inside, it takes about 30 seconds, and it will automatically arm and lock the doors. If somebody goes ahead and try to break the window, the alarm will fire off. Go ahead and shut off the alarm. It has this antenna over here in the top. So in the event that you break or you lose the remote controls, you open the door with the key, turn the key in ignition, and you press up that button up there, and that will disable the alarm. It's got comes with 2 remote controls. Okay, this alarm was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our phone number is at 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.